Can sugar reduce your thinking ability? Yes, the audience didn't hear wrong. Sugar can reduce your ability to think and to remember. It can cause some mental problems. We will know this today in the video. How much can sugar damage our brain? Visitors in a 2007 study showed that sugar can create feelings far beyond what our brain normally feels, and that these feelings are several times stronger than normal feelings. Dear listeners, after we eat sugar, the glucose from it goes to our brain and starts activating the reward center of our brain. That means our brain feels better after eating sugar. As a result of which, he again remembers the pleasure that I am feeling. I want more pleasure. The viewer then eats the sugar again. At one point, the man is seen eating twice as much sugar. The only reason for this is that the man has had too many encounters with sugar, as is happening in the case of drugs. Dear audience, in a recent study on rats, one group of rats was given cocaine, while the other group was given the extremely sweet saccharin. Over a period of time, rats became more dependent on the sweet treat than they were on cocaine, and this was seen in 90 of the rats. But you can do this experiment yourself. For example, if you are used to eating 2 to 3 meals of white rice or white bread every day, then it is possible to do this because white rice and plain are high glycemic index foods. Viewers mean that after consuming them, our blood fumes will not have much effect. Glucose can be similar to what happens after eating sugar, so you skip white rice and white bread at one meal and eat another meal. You can eat vegetables, you can eat meat, or you can eat a full stomach. You are not satisfied. You feel a kind of satisfaction. What is the reason? The reason is that your blood glucose has not gone, and the brain was hoping that you had failed to give it much fun. Dear listeners, you are not satisfied with that signal. Because of this, many times it is seen that we have eaten, but not because of silence. Now that sugar can harm our brains. Dear viewers, a 2016 study found that eating too much sugar can cause inflammation in our brains, which is responsible for retaining our memories. Excess sugar intake is responsible for inflammation in the area of the brain that stores our memory. In 2017, it was seen that those who are constantly consuming sweet drinks, maybe carbonated beverages or other sweets, we cheat a little. Carbon dioxide in it, but actually the volume of our brain is decreasing, and the ability to retain memory is also decreasing. If the viewer likes the video, share it so that the YouTube algorithm understands the video is helpful, and if you want to know anything, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get new updated videos. Viewers, now let's talk about how to know who can hack our boot. Viewers, our brains, have a type of system called the texture system. That system controls our emotions, and for some reason, this system is disturbed. Then, our emotions may change. Another study was done in 2017. In a study of more than 10,000 people, those who ate too much sugar were 23% more likely to have mental health problems than those who ate less. There is a chemical in our brain called brain gyrotrophic factor, DEENs. Those who help us form new memories and help us learn. Viewers should avoid foods that contain excess sugar. It means that if you eat foods that contain a lot of sugar, then the brain gyrotrophic factor is not working properly, and our ability to create new memories is reduced. Another study found that reduced dementia was associated with this type of disease. Dementia, or Alzheimer's, is when people don't remember what to do. It means you can't do anything haphazardly. Dear listeners, DNA helps in making our name, and if it decreases, then the risk of developing dementia gradually increases. So sugary foods should be completely stopped or reduced. Just like an addict can't quit addiction overnight, you can't quit sugar either. But yes, if you try slowly, you will be able to. That's all the audience has today. See you in another video. Thanks for watching the whole video. Stay well and stay healthy.